Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be discussing something very interesting, which is download managers. So why you should use download managers to download your files instead of using the default download option on your browser. So download managers are actually third-party apps that you can link to your browsers so that when you are downloading files, the download manager will automatically help you download those files. So when you are using a download manager, most times the download is faster compared to when you are using the normal default option for downloads for your any of your browser. And secondly, when you want to download large files of like 50 gig, 20 gig, 100 gig, it's better to use download manager because it's what the download manager will do for you. It will help you to split those files into different parts and download those files in parts such that you can download those files over a long period of time. Maybe if you have limited data access and your network connection is not so strong, so you want to download large files, you know definitely you can't download those files in a day and you want to download them in parts, it's better to use download manager because download manager gives you the leverage to be able to pause and play your download anytime you are ready. So you can pause a download and resume it in 2 days' time when you are using a download manager and to continue from where you stop, compared to your normal download option on your browser, whereby you are unable to pause and play downloads. So if you notice maybe your Google Chrome, you're trying to download something and you download it and maybe it has even downloaded to something like imagine 95% and your data got exhausted or your network was bad, your network just went off. And the moment your network came back, it's now difficult for you to resume your download. If it tell you download fail, you have to restart. So imagine that thing. So those kind of pains and problems is what download managers help you solve. So one of the popular download manager, the one I use for personally, is the Neat download manager, NEAT download manager. You can just search it on your browser and then you select the first link to download it. This is how you get it to your system. You see for your Mac or for your Windows, if you are using a Windows, you select the Windows option. It's very small, it's about 900 KB. So once you click on the download, then you install it on your system. So once it's installed to your system, then you can now link it. So first, I want to use before I link it to my Google Chrome, I want to show you the advantage of a download manager. So we are going to download this file of 35 MB with the normal download option. We'll time it. Then we also use the download manager to download the same thing and see which is faster. So let me run my timer. So we have our stopwatch by the side. So let's start. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I'll click on direct download. Let me we are generating the range and so immediately I click on this, I'll start my timer. And then our download have started and our timer is running. Our download is still ongoing and our timer has been running for 8 minutes 39 seconds now by using the normal Google Chrome default download option. Okay, there we have it. So it took us 9 minutes 15 seconds for this download to be completed. Now we are going to use the download manager to run the same download so you see the difference. Now let me show you how you can use the download manager. First open the download manager, then you go to browsers. You go to this browser, click on this browser, go to add Chrome extension because we have it installed. We have Google Chrome. We want to link it to our Google Chrome. Add Chrome extension, then you go to your Google. It will take you to your Google Chrome. Then to show you download manager, then click to add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. So we have it added to our Google Chrome. So whatever we are going to be downloading, the download manager will handle it. So let's download the same thing using the download manager. So once I click on download, see the download manager is up. Now let me start my timer. You can see the download manager is running already. I downloaded the same file. So the download manager took just 1 minute 51 seconds to complete the same download that took the default Google Chrome 9 minutes 15 seconds. So you can see the huge difference. The difference is very huge. So I highly recommend you use a download manager when you are downloading large files. It's more effective to save you cost and to save you time. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this. See Wise Gadgets. Peace out.